And your arms are bent, you have good leverage over the steering wheel. Yeah. That feel good?
Yeah.
Okay. And how are your side mirrors?
Yeah, I just adjusted them.
Perfect, okay.
Yeah, there we go. Okay.
All right.
Great.
And off we go. No problem. What was it, last Saturday I had to cancel you, I think, eh? It was, yeah. I had I'd started driving towards my first student down the road, and I'm like, with the ice on the road, it was
Iffy.
Just a little bit iffy, yeah. Because I was sliding around the corners, so I'm like, okay, yeah, left turn here.
Okay.
I was sliding around the corners. And not going fast either. It's just so I've maybe not. Don't want to take any unnecessary risks, you know.
Right.
So far, it's been pretty good this winter.
Uh-huh.
If you can call it winter, I don't know.
Yeah.
Jeez. You said you're going to California?
Yeah.
Oh man, temperature there is what in Fahrenheit? I think it's like 61.
Yeah.
60. That's gonna be nice.
Yeah. It's surprisingly cold in the mornings and the evenings. But
Is it? Yeah.
yeah.
I've never been out there. So whereabouts in California are you going?
It's a place called Palo Alto.
Yep, Palo Alto. What's the name of the university?
Stanford University.
Stanford. Oh wow, cool. That's nice.
Yeah. It's a pretty large campus, so you have to bike everywhere.
Oh yeah. Could just imagine. That'll be quite the experience for you.
Yeah.
And you already have connections there, friends or anything, or?
Yeah.
Good,
Yeah.
good.
There's some people I know from Canada.
Oh, that's good. So you won't be there by yourself, alone.
Yeah.
At the traffic lights here, we're going to make a right turn.
Okay.
You said you're doing biology, right?
Yeah, biology.
Awesome. You want to become a doctor?
Probably I get queasy when I see blood, so probably not. But yeah, probably some sort of like a biology